2, 1, go.
No, because I'm going to talk. So here we had step, step, milonga, tiny, sharp movement out, freezing out, back, 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 back. Something like that, the sharp movement. And then we had step, step, hold, step, step, hold, collect. Sorry, step, step, hold, collect. Step, step, hold, collect. To differentiate from the weight change. Step, 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 change. Step, step, hold, collect. Step, step, weight change. Yeah? So that it was very clear if you were doing the weight change or not. And then you were also changing rhythms with the milonga, which is wonderful because you're not staying the same the whole time. Then this one was back step. Step, change, back, side. Step, change, back, side. You can actually do it the other way. 2, back, 1, back, back,